fodder brassicas, the main pest would be diamondback moth, possibly cabbage white butterfly and aphids. Diamondback moth, the reason that that's normally the most important or the one that growers worry about is because it develops resistant to insecticides so rapidly. So in an IPM approach, we'd assess the numbers and maybe go in with a selective insecticide. There's predators and parasites that may be enough on their own. The beneficial species are certainly present, but when the crop comes out of the ground, the first thing that gets there are the pests. The things that eat the pests aren't going to be there before the pests. Aphids can be, the first pest in autumn, or there can be, really high numbers of cabbage white butterflies at times. If we can get on top of these surges, usually the beneficial species can maintain control. We find that predators are often really good at cleaning up a pest population that's higher than you want, but the parasites are really good at maintaining control through in the longer term. The species of beneficials that we're talking about are present in every region where brassicas are grown. They will come in no matter what the paddock history is. With the beneficial species, how do they overwinter? If it's a parasite, then wherever the host is, then the parasites will be present inside that. Diamondback moth, there's always brassica weeds around, if not the main crop being grown over winter. But insects are cold-blooded, and usually the trigger is around 10 degrees for development. So that's an average of 10 degrees, and it's like putting things in the fridge. And so same with the predators. They're present, they're just probably in a dormant stage, either in the egg or pupal stage, just waiting for the weather to warm up. So in an IPM approach, we'd assess the numbers and maybe go in with a selective insecticide. But certainly there's parasitic wasps that attack diamondback moth, cabbage white butterfly and aphid.